I was stuck scrolling my life away until I made this one decision to make my vision board 2026. Yes, guys, I'm doing it again after so many years, and that is why I was so keen to have this parcel from Amazon. It has a ready-made vision board, and there are so many vision board stickers. They are also having some quotes, small phrases. Even if you don't have it, you don't have to worry. Just go to Pinterest, search for appropriate images, print them, and make your vision board. Most people don't fail because they are lazy. They fail because they don't see their growth. And eventually, what you cannot see, you cannot measure. Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Radhika Recommends, where we glow up our lifestyle, beauty and fashion. Today I'm not sharing with you my vision board, but I'm sharing with you why a person wants it if you want a different 2026. Part 1 tells you motivation is just a feeling and vision is a system. Motivation is emotional. Some mornings you wake up excited and the other mornings you just want to sleep. But your goals don't wait for your mood. So a vision board doesn't depend upon emotions. Even on your worst day, it tells you quietly who you are becoming. So this year, instead of taking New Year resolutions, I'm making a vision board with intention to be more disciplined, peaceful, confident, and financially aware. Let's get to part 2 now. It tells you that your brain needs visual direction. Let's understand what a visual direction is. Our brain doesn't change with pressure. It changes with repetition. Simple. When you repeatedly see your direction, your decisions also start changing very slowly. Without any stress, without any pressure. Just repeat and follow. Part 3 says vision boards are life trackers. Your vision board is not a decoration. It's a growth tracker. Every night when you see it, you'll feel, am I moving forward even a little every day? And if not, why? Part 4 tells you that vision boards build discipline. And how? Most people think discipline comes from strong willpower. But I personally feel strong willpower is just temporary. It fades when you are tired, emotional, or overwhelmed. Happens with everyone. To keep in mind is that discipline always comes from actual reminders. Vision board becomes a silent reminder. It doesn't shout, it doesn't judge. It simply waits for your eyes to fall on it and ask every single day, are you becoming the person you want to become? Days when I don't feel productive, I don't push myself harshly. But what I'll do is that I'll look at my vision board and take a very small action, and that action will keep the chain alive. Now let's go to part 5 on why people feel stuck for years. Have you ever noticed something? That we work every day with full potential, still we are at the same place year after year. I felt the same for 3 consistent years. I had no direction to think. I had to learn it myself. That's because activity is not a progress. Without direction, even effort becomes a wasted motion. You're not behind in life, my friend, but you are moving in a direction which has no visible path. And I think many of you might relate with me. Now comes the part 6, where I tell you that vision boards actually reduce anxiety. Anxiety doesn't come from doing too much. It comes when you do and you don't know whether it matters or not. There comes the vision board, where it converts the chaos into clarity. It simplifies your mind and constantly asks one question. This is what I'm working towards. Part 7 tells you how vision boards are actually tracking the growth. So once a week, at least stand in front of your vision board and ask yourself 3 things. What did I do better for the week? What distracted me? And what is the small correction that is needed for the next week? This is not pressure. This is awareness. And awareness creates transformation. So the most important learning would be that in 2026, you don't need a dramatic life change. You just need daily alignment. And that alignment starts when your dreams, your vision become visible. So put it down today. It doesn't have to be complicated, expensive. Just keep it very, very simple. And if this video has shifted something inside you, then subscribe to Radhika Recommends. Let's grow gently but consistently.